Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm short selling Bajaj Finance in the market level around 1454 and I'm planning to take the target up to like 5 or 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform. So I have selected this trade based on my strategy and my study. Okay, so as you guys can see the Bajaj Finance, the first candle here, that's the first 15 minutes candle, it has formed an big red candle showing that the strength is towards the seller here. But yes, the stock can take a support somewhere around 1445 or somewhere around there is what my view is according to my studies. So let's see how the stock will perform today. Okay, so as the stock price is above 1000, that is 1400, as you guys can see, the fluctuation might be a bit higher, that is 4 to 5 points upside or downside movements can be seen very quickly in this kind of stock is what my view is. Okay, so anyways, let's wait and watch. And as of now, as you guys can see, the market is 0.42% up. Yes, the market looks bit of a bullish, but the stock shows a bearish sign here. So anyways, let's wait and see how the stock will perform. And also guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a setup. And if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit in intraday trading. No indicators and no complicated things. Okay, so the goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader, and I'll teach you what is required to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's a amount what you spend for eating your favorite fast food or a snack in a month. Okay, and not only that, once you join us, you'll get the daily live market guidance as well. You can just go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So once you join us, you'll be getting the same live trades as well. Okay, so join us today and get daily live market support as well. Okay, so guys, now the stock is still trading at 1454, so let's wait for some time and see how the movement will be, and I'll update you about the trade. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, now the stock is trading around 1451, and yes, in between it did go up as well, as I was telling you, because the stock price is above 1000 rupees. So that's why we can expect some of the 4 5 points to go up and down, and it did go up till 1457 somewhere, and from there again the sellers came in and the stock has come down. Now it's trading around 1450, if you guys can see. So we are almost close to the 5 points target. So let's see how the market will perform now, and according to that I'll just take my exit. Okay, so 1450.50, so 1449 almost, it's touching now, if you guys can see here. So I'll just wait for 1449 to touch, and once it touches 1449, I'll just take my exit and I'll just update you about the trade. Okay, so you can just continue to see the live trade here now. So 1450, okay, 1449.40. So guys, it has been touched, and I'll just take exit now. So guys, as you guys can see, the stock had made a low of 1448 here, and I took my exit with almost like 5 to 6 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book it in the today's trade of Bajaj Finance. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.